Today, we're celebrating our glorious black hair. Our hair is a crown. Coily, kinky, curly, wavy, long, short, and always unique. It's a canvas for creativity and a story of who we are. Let's embrace the journey of self-love and discovery through our hair. Don't be afraid to try new styles. Your hair is your superpower. Think of all the shapes it can make, standing tall, spiraling down, or braided into art. Learning to love your hair is learning to love yourself. No one else has hair exactly like yours, and that's beautiful. This is about experimenting, playing with looks, and finding what makes you feel confident. There are no rules, just love and care for your hair. We're here to inspire you with 5 bold styles to try. Be patient with your hair and yourself. Learning takes time. Sometimes styles won't work out, and that's okay. The most important thing is to have fun and let your personality shine. Your hair is self-expression. Show the world who you are without saying a word. Ready to start this journey? Let's explore some bold, beautiful looks together. Let's dive into Fulani braids, an iconic style with deep roots in West Africa. Fulani braids feature a central braid, side braids, and often beautiful beads. This style connects you to heritage and culture and lets you express your personality. To get the look, start with clean, moisturized hair and part it down the middle. Braid the center first, then the sides, adding extensions if you want extra length. Decorate with beads or cuffs. Choose colors and shapes that speak to you. Each bead adds a personal touch and a gentle sound as you move. Protect your braids at night with a silk or satin scarf to reduce frizz. Use leave-in conditioner to keep your scalp and hair healthy. Don't keep braids in too long. 6 to 8 weeks is best. When you take them out, be gentle and follow up with a deep conditioning treatment. Fulani braids are more than a style. They're a celebration of culture and creativity. Next up, the high puff. Simple, chic, and full of confidence. The high puff gathers your curls on top, showing off your natural texture. It's perfect for any occasion: school, parties, or just relaxing. Start with moisturized hair, detangle, and use a hair tie or shoelace to gather your hair at the crown. Shape your puff with your fingers or a pick. Go as big and bold as you like. Polish the look by styling your edges with a little gel. Don't tie it too tight. Protect your edges. At night, cover with a satin bonnet or scarf to keep curls fresh. Refresh in the morning with water and oil. The high puff is a protective style that celebrates your natural beauty every day. Let's talk Bantu knots, a style that gives you 2 looks in one. Wear the knots for a bold, edgy look rooted in African tradition. When you take them out, you get beautiful, defined curls, no heat needed. Start with damp, detangled hair and apply a creamy leave-in or curl cream. Part hair into small sections, twist each, and wrap into a knot. Secure with a tuck or bobby pin, then let them dry completely. Rock the knots, then unravel for a stunning knot out. Use oil on your fingers to separate curls and prevent frizz. Don't use a comb, just your fingers for volume. Bantu knots show off the versatility and magic of your hair. Our final look, the tapered cut. Perfect for short hair lovers. Longer on top, shorter on the sides and back, it's modern, chic, and freeing. This cut puts the spotlight on your face and radiates confidence. Visit a stylist experienced with curly hair. Bring photos and discuss your vision. Style the top with a wash and go, twist out or braid out for defined curls. Add a pop of color for extra flair. Blonde, red, or even blue. Keep the shape fresh with regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks. Moisturize the top and protect with a satin bonnet at night. The tapered cut is low maintenance, high impact, and a celebration of freedom and self-expression. Be bold. Let your